Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Bogwalk Gorge and we're going to drive over Flat Bridge. Now, a lot of debate has taken place as to Flat Bridge. Now, Flat Bridge is an old bridge. It's over probably 600 years old. It's the oldest bridge in the English-speaking Caribbean. It was built and used during the time of slavery. And it was built for, not because they didn't have cars back then, but the bridge is still standing and it is being used. So the question I want to ask you guys is, do you think it's time that they replace Flat Bridge? Now, it's a historic site, so it will be next to impossible to actually remove the bridge and put a new one there. So they could build a new bridge for the cars to use and leave Flat Bridge there as a historic site. So guys, what do you think? Now, this road, the Bogwalk Gorge, takes you from Kingston to the north coast. From towns like Yuaton, Linstead, to go over Mount Rossa and eventually get into Ocho Rios, the north coast of Jamaica. This is the main thoroughfare. There's a toll road, but you have to pay toll and it's very expensive. And then a solution is to go over the hill. I don't remember the name of that hill now, but there's a hill you can drive over, but it's a tedious drive. So guys, what do you think? Do you think it's time that they build a new bridge out here? No, this is Flat Bridge on the right. As you can see, you could easily build a bridge from where we are, practically going over Flat Bridge, or you could build it further up and put it beside Flat Bridge, or you could go on either side of Flat Bridge because you could easily dig down the stone and build the bridge. And we have China Harbour Engineering Company working in Jamaica that could do this work quite easily. So that is the bridge. Now this bridge is a single lane bridge. Only traffic flowing in one direction can pass it at any given time. And sometimes trucks get stuck on the bridge. They navigate the bridge wrong or they just can't make the corner. And they get stuck on the bridge and blocks up traffic for hours. So guys, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. Now we're going to go through an article that talks about the pros and cons of replacing Flat Bridge. The debate over whether Jamaica's Flat Bridge should be replaced is multifaceted, involving considerations of safety, heritage, and infrastructure development. Here are the key points. Arguments for replacement. Safety concerns. Flat Bridge is notorious for accidents due to its narrow structure and lack of guardrails. Flooding of the Rio Cobre often makes the bridge impassable, posing risks to commuters. 2. Traffic flow improvement. Replacing the bridge with a modern structure could enhance traffic efficiency and connectivity, particularly in the busy corridor between Kingston and other parts of the island. 3. Economic impact. A new bridge could facilitate smoother transportation of goods and services, benefiting the local economy and reducing delays caused by the current bridge installations. Now the arguments against replacement. 1. Historical significance. Flat Bridge is an important cultural and historical landmark believed to have been built by enslaved Africans in the 18th century. Replacing it could mean the loss of a significant piece of Jamaica's heritage. 2. Tourism and cultural value. The bridge is a point of interest for tourists, contributing to the local tourism industry. Preserving it could maintain this aspect of cultural tourism. 3. Alternative solutions. Some suggest that instead of replacement, Safety improvements and better flood management systems could be implemented to maintain the bridge while addressing safety concerns. A balanced approach might involve constructing a new, safer bridge nearby to handle modern traffic demands while preserving the flat bridge as a pedestrian or historical site. This would allow for improved infrastructure without sacrificing cultural heritage. Alright, guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.